We are into perfection. We strive to design the perfect intersections and experience for all the people of Queensville. My name is Elaine.
I'm Maha.
I'm Rollex.
I'm Joelline.
And I'm Karanveer.
We first decided to take a look around what Queensville is like today on Google Maps and see where there was room for improvement. In these images, the condition of the intersection, roads, and traffic control are not optimal. You can see the lack of safe sidewalks and pedestrian safety. There are no bike lanes, no sort of accessibility or traffic control.
Already, without the proposed population increase of 86,000 people, the traffic is backed up. From the pedestrian perspective, the lack of sidewalks on the south side make this intersection unsafe. Not only that, but the lack of accessibility for differently abled or disabled pedestrians is not obliged by the AODA, Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act.
As a team, we have brainstormed several ideas to improve this intersection. These technologies will be featuring throughout our design and include a roundabout, concrete blocks, fences, sphere mirrors, gridded paths for guidance, benches, rumble strips, and gated crosswalks, which will use mechanical beams for support.
Let's begin with our most prominent idea for the design, a roundabout. A roundabout has numerous benefits for a driver and a pedestrian. It can benefit a driver in the effort to create a flow of traffic, and a roundabout has many other advantages, such as creating less impatience amongst drivers, less delays and congestion, less air pollution, as well as allows the ability to add streetscaping and urban areas.
A roundabout also ensures that drivers drive slowly and safely in the intersection. Each of the roads and the roundabout in the center are made of 2 lanes. The roundabout has been successfully used to improve traffic and pedestrian safety in places such as Germany.
There are countless more options of enhancements that can be made on an intersection. A few of those are gated crosswalks, mirror spheres, elevated sidewalks, and bike lanes. These are all improvements that benefit both the driver and the pedestrian. As you can see in this image, it shows our idea for gated crosswalks. These gated crosswalks will be similar to train gates. When a pedestrian wishes to cross, they will press a button, which will activate flashing lights and an audio signal, and the guardrail will lower, stopping vehicles. As a team, we want to see growth in the safety of the future citizens of Queensville.
As you can see, we took into consideration laws and the AODA, Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act. Speed bumps, curb extensions, and bumpy pads on the edges of each curb will also help those who cannot see. These small adjustments can make all the difference in the experience of a pedestrian and driver. As a team, we understand that some people do need some extra guidance, so inclusivity is important.
Moving on, an elevated sidewalk, which would be separated with greenery along with concrete separators, would benefit the safety of those who are driving, walking, or cycling. The concrete blocks would be spaced far enough apart so that bikers could join the main flow of traffic if they needed to. Likewise, each intersection will have 4 trash cans in each corner to reduce littering, public seating for pedestrians, and added foliage to create shade. As a team, we acknowledge that these technologies can improve the experience and create a safe and eco-friendly environment for every person visiting and living in Queensville.
And finally, as a team, we believe that creating the perfect intersections are vital to making the perfect city.